Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Spotify artist profile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Spotify artist, and you simply need to hit enter, and you simply need to select the first website, and here you need to click on login if you are already have an account, but if you want you simply need to click on get access. And here you can see two options, artist or manager. But first you simply need to, if you want to create an account, click on login, and if you haven't created an account you simply need to sign up for Spotify. So once you sign up you simply need to click on get access and click on artist or manager, and here you need to enter your login detail. So once you get access you can claim an artist profile. Click on continue, select your profile, click on next. Here you need to search artist or paste a Spotify artist URL. So once you done that you are in the artist profile. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.